Mountain climbing is often a personal journey of discovery, overcoming limitations, and expanding horizons. In each climb, we learn more about who we are as a person. Similarly, artificial intelligence has the potential of enabling humanity to make a climb of unimaginable discovery, learning who we are and what our place is in the universe. Join us today as we explore how AI augments human intelligence, unlocking our potential for groundbreaking new ideas and perspectives. Human history is marked by a blend of steady progress and rare, transformative leaps that redefine our understanding of the world. While our intellect has fueled these advancements, it also has inherent limitations, particularly in data processing and analysis. This sets the stage for artificial intelligence as a revolutionary tool in our intellectual toolkit. It has the potential to augment our capabilities, fill in gaps where we fall short, and accelerate the pace of groundbreaking discoveries. In this discussion, we'll explore how AI can serve as a catalyst for human knowledge, unlocking new realms of possibility. The journey of human knowledge has been a blend of slow, incremental gains and rare, paradigm-shifting ideas. Most of our progress is built on small steps, each contributing to a broader landscape of understanding. These incremental gains are like bricks in an ever-growing wall of human knowledge, each layer dependent on the stability of the last. Yet, occasionally, a groundbreaking idea emerges that changes everything. These paradigm shifts, such as the invention of written language or the development of agriculture, are quantum leaps that have altered the course of human history. But why are they so rare? The answer lies in the limitations of human intelligence. Our cognitive abilities, while extraordinary, have constraints in data processing and accuracy that slow down the discovery of such transformative ideas. These limitations set the stage for AI, a tool that can augment our capabilities and potentially accelerate the pace of paradigm-shifting discoveries. While the limitations of human intelligence often act as barriers to groundbreaking discoveries, they also shape the way we exercise our curiosity. Our innate drive to explore and understand is both fueled and constrained by our cognitive capabilities. In this context, artificial intelligence serves as a transformative tool that amplifies our natural curiosity, enabling us to transcend these limitations and venture into previously unimaginable realms of knowledge and discovery. Curiosity has been a driving force in human evolution, propelling us to explore unknown territories, both physical and intellectual. This innate desire to understand the world has led to many of our incremental gains in knowledge. Yet even curiosity has its limits when faced with the complexities of the universe and the limitations of human cognition. Artificial intelligence offers a way to augment this curiosity, providing us with tools to explore questions and possibilities that were previously beyond our reach. It acts as a magnifying glass for our innate curiosity, allowing us to delve deeper into the mysteries of existence. However, even as we marvel at the potential of AI to expand our horizons, it's essential to acknowledge the limitations of human intelligence that necessitate such augmentation. Our brains, remarkable as they are, have a finite capacity for data processing. We're also prone to errors that can skew our analyses and interpretations. These limitations aren't just quirks, they've been crucial in shaping the pace and direction of human evolution. They've determined what we could discover independently and how quickly we could make those discoveries. In many ways, these cognitive constraints have acted as both a filter and a funnel, guiding us toward certain types of knowledge while making others more elusive. Artificial intelligence can serve as a counterbalance to these limitations. It excels in areas where humans struggle, such as sifting through massive datasets, performing complex calculations in fractions of a second, and maintaining a level of accuracy that is generally beyond human capability. By complementing our strengths and compensating for our weaknesses, AI becomes more than just a tool. It becomes a collaborative partner in the quest for knowledge. This partnership holds the promise of accelerating our journey toward new paradigm-shifting ideas, breaking the slow cycle of marginal gains and ushering in an era of unprecedented discovery. As we grapple with the limitations of our own cognition, artificial intelligence emerges as a transformative tool in our intellectual arsenal. It's not just a calculator or a data processor, it's a collaborator that can help us think in new dimensions. Imagine the complex mathematical models required to even begin to understand the concept of time travel. The human mind alone may take years, if not decades, to make significant progress. However, with AI algorithms capable of running countless simulations and analyzing variables beyond human comprehension, the once impossible notion starts to look plausible. The same holds true for the idea of sentient cities, urban environments that can think, learn, and adapt. While we can conceptualize the idea, the real-time data analysis required to make it a reality is beyond human capability. AI can manage these vast streams of data, from traffic patterns to energy consumption, and make real-time decisions that optimize the functioning of an entire city. It's not just about smart cities, it's about cities with the ability to evolve, almost as living organisms. Even more ambitiously, consider the realm of quantum mechanics, where we explore the fabric of reality itself. The calculations here are so complex that they often defy intuitive understanding. AI, with its ability to handle multidimensional data and perform complex calculations, could be invaluable in making breakthroughs in this field. It could help us understand, and perhaps even manipulate, the very building blocks of the universe. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that we are still in the early stages of this partnership between human intelligence and AI. There are limitations to what AI can currently achieve. For instance, while it excels at data analysis, it lacks the creative thinking that often leads to groundbreaking hypotheses. It can help us explore the ramifications of existing theories, but generating new, revolutionary theories is a feat it has yet to accomplish. Moreover, there are technological barriers, such as computational power and data storage, that currently restrict the full utilization of AI's capabilities. Yet, these limitations are not insurmountable. As AI technology advances and as we learn to better integrate it into our cognitive processes, the potential for groundbreaking discoveries grows exponentially. In this symbiotic relationship, AI doesn't just fill the gaps in our understanding. It expands the boundaries of what we consider possible, opening doors to new realms of inquiry and imagination. It's a partnership that promises to accelerate our journey toward the next paradigm-shifting ideas, fundamentally altering the trajectory of human progress. Beyond the specific examples of time travel, sentient cities, and quantum mechanics, the collaboration between human intelligence and AI has broader implications. One significant area is interdisciplinary research. AI has the potential to synthesize information from diverse fields, helping us see connections that we might have missed. For example, insights from social sciences could inform technological innovations, or principles from physics could find applications in economics. This cross-pollination of ideas could lead to entirely new paradigms that defy traditional categorization. Moreover, there's a feedback loop between advancements in AI and human knowledge. As we make new discoveries, we can use them to further refine AI algorithms, making them more effective partners in our quest for knowledge. Conversely, as AI becomes more advanced, it can help us make more rapid and significant discoveries. This mutually beneficial relationship creates a cycle of accelerated learning and discovery, pushing both human and artificial intelligence into new frontiers. In essence, AI serves as both a mirror and a window. A mirror reflecting our own capabilities and limitations, and a window through which we can glimpse previously unimaginable possibilities. It's not just about overcoming limitations, it's about redefining the very boundaries of human potential. As you can see, the synergistic relationship between human intelligence and artificial intelligence has the potential of significantly advancing knowledge and fostering groundbreaking discoveries. While human intellect is powerful, it has inherent limitations in data processing and analytical capabilities. AI emerges as a complementary tool that can augment these human capabilities. It serves as an amplifier of our natural curiosity, enabling us to explore new realms of knowledge that were previously out of reach. This creates a mutually beneficial cycle where both human and AI intelligences push each other into new frontiers. The partnership promises not just incremental gains but the acceleration of paradigm-shifting ideas that could fundamentally alter the trajectory of human progress.